So, what we are working on today is these guys right here. The Vanos system, which is variable valve timing. There are two different solenoids. The top one's for the intake, and the bottom one, I really wish this was to clear up, is for the exhaust. And what happens is, I bet mine's pretty dirty because it looks very dirty under there. Switch needs a 10 mil. Now, in case I don't make this clear enough, in the title, one second, let me get this. This is why this needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So it idles rough, and under acceleration it just bogs down a little bit. So I heard if you clean these, it helps your problems a little bit. Just gotta give it a good wiggle. Slowly pull it out. And there it is. So once you pull it out, all you have to do is push on that little pin and it'll come out. I'm about to start the air compressor up so I can blow it out in a second. But all you have to do is spray some degreaser or brake cleaner a few times, get it super clean, and blow it out. So that's what I'm about to do. Looks a lot better than it did. So I cannot remember if I've already said this or not, but the reason I'm doing this is because I'm having a pretty rough idle. Basically, RPMs are, I think it idles at like 600-700, and it jumps 500 to 900. I mean, it's just, you know, woo woo. And the car's actually kind of wants to go forward a little bit, so that's why I'm replacing this. Because like when I'm accelerating, if I'm in like, let's say 6th gear going up a hill, it just stutters really bad. And I know it's, you know, 6th gear, it's supposed to downshift or whatever, but I don't know, I'm just taking precautions. And you may be asking yourself, why don't you just replace it or replace both of them? They're $140 a piece, and I'm trying to sell the car, so I'm just trying to make it last, basically. So I'm gonna reinstall it and see if it fixes the problem. Well, let's see if it worked. Seems to be doing a lot better. I've already checked on my ignition coils, which are underneath this little cover, but those are all good. Guess we just gotta see what happens. Constant idle. So I'm about to go drive it and see if it stutters under acceleration or anything like that, like its old problems. So let's go. The idle is definitely a lot better, which was one of the main things that was bothering me. Now, it wasn't a bad stuttering. It'd mostly just be at like stoplights, and it'd be going, ooh, ooh, trying to like go. And it was irritating. So I'm gonna drive pretty smoothly for a couple minutes. And we'll see if it actually worked. Is that my sister? So what I'm gonna do is just barely give it any throttle, because that's where I would stutter. It always want me to downshift. So let's see if it does it. Nope. And then when I turn on this road, I will get on it and we will see how it is. I have read that when people just clean it, it comes back sometimes in a week, sometimes 6 months, sometimes it doesn't. I mean, it's just a hit or miss how good you clean it. I mean, there's so many variables. It's like actually running too smooth now. I'm used to it kind of giving me a little, like a little stutter, and now that it's just like perfect, I feel like I'm in a Prius. Why am I sad that I fixed it? Something's wrong with me. Alright, gonna open it up now. Ready? Yeah, it's a lot smoother. So, it's $130 a piece for each solenoid, so that's $260. Or you can use some brake cleaner or degreaser that you already have. Fix it for free, because it's so much better, honestly. So give that a shot. If that doesn't work, clean your intake, clean your sensors, check your ignition coils, and after that you either have solenoid problem or spark plugs. So just thought I'd give y'all a little advice. Oh, also shout out to Justin Bice. He's an E90 YouTuber. He just did a video about open recalls on BMWs, specifically E90s. I have 2 open recalls. One of them being the one where your BMW just catches on fire and like burning people's houses down. So, you know, go to BMW.com, put your VIN in, it'll tell you if you have any recalls. Mine's for the blower motor, which just, I guess, combusts because it melts. And I can't remember the other one. But yeah, go check that out, make sure that you're good. And if not, go to your BMW dealership, because I feel like y'all don't want your cars catching on fire or burning your whole house down. That's just me though. I mean, I wouldn't want that to happen. You might. I mean, you might want some insurance money or something. I don't know. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna end it. I hope that if you do try this, that it works. Because like I said, free versus $260. So let me know. And don't worry, I already have the next video for you, because something else went wrong a few days ago. Good. Bad. I got infected with freaking pink eye. One of the bulbs is going out. No big deal, I already ordered some replacements. I think it's funny that you think everything's good on your car and something else goes wrong. So, till next time.